The thin film UT sensor has a thickness of 1 mm or less, and can be installed under insulation or other materials. Ancillary work that came with each measurement, including insulation material removal and restoration and scaffold installation and removal, is no longer necessary, resulting in reduction of processes and test cost. Let's head to the site and start work. First, clean the installation location with a cleaning cloth or similar material to remove dirt. The next step is to mark the pipe surface with chalk or a magic marker to make the location for sensor attachment clear. If the pipe is coated, remove the coating using a Scotch-Brite pad or similar item. Let's get the thin film UT sensor ready for installation. After applying Sonocoat to the location where the sensor is to be attached, connect the sensor to the UT flaw detector, press it onto the location where the sensor is to be attached, and check the echo waveform. After confirming that the location for sensor attachment is suitable, wipe the pipe surface at the attachment location using a detergent such as acetone, and degrease it thoroughly. Once the adhesive is properly prepared, apply the adhesive on the sensor and attach the sensor to the installation location. Now, confirm that the appropriate waveform is obtained. Cover the area with tape, etc., as needed, and secure the center part of the sensor with the band. Insert the cable of the installed sensor into a coated tube for protection, and store the cable connector part in the waterproof connector box. The thin film UT sensor can be used with various flaw detectors. Choose a flaw detector suitable for the work site and carry out installation in an appropriate manner.